What is going on, y'all? I'm back with another video. I want to go over the most important cold email principle in the book. If you do everything wrong, I'm going to make myself bigger here. If you do everything else wrong with your cold emails, but you do this one thing correctly, it's still going to work. And that one cold email principle is something that I like to call the 3-second rule, right? When someone opens your cold email in their inbox, you have to think about it from their perspective. They don't know who you are. They don't know why they should care about you or trust you. And they're going to either, read your email in 2 seconds and move on or want to learn more. So you have literally 3 seconds to grab their attention and get them to learn more. So how do you do that? Well, the first mistake I see is people start a cold email and they say something like, "Hey, Bob, my name's Christian. I'm the founder of Client Ascension. Can't type. I run a 2 Comma Club award-winning coaching program and have written 1 million cold emails. We've generated 7 figures." You see where this is going? Nobody gives a shit about what you are, who you are, what you can do, what accomplishments you have. They only care about what you can do for them. So if you're wasting your first 3 seconds in the inbox saying something like, "Hey, Bob, my name's Christian. I'm the founder of this. I do this. I do that. I do this," they're not going to care. So what do you do to get around this and actually grab somebody's attention? You want to show them what you can do for them as quickly as possible. "Hey, Bob, I see you're the founder at ListKit," right? Random example using ListKit. "We can add 25 product demos to your calendar each month from YouTube organic content. You only pay us per demo. Would you be interested in having us make our script plus edit the first video free?" You grab their attention in the first 3 seconds, and your CTA is compelling enough and open-ended enough by having or offering a script and an edit for free that someone's going to be like, "You know what? Yes, why not? I have nothing to lose here. Why don't I say yes? And let's move this conversation forward." That's all you need with a cold email, is to move the conversation to the next step. What do we do at ListKit? We offer 50 free leads. In my last YouTube video, I go over the entire script sequence I wrote for ListKit. If you saw that video, you know what I'm going to say. All we do at ListKit is say something like, "Hey, I see you're involved in company names, sales process. We have a database of 500 million B2B email leads. I put together a sample of 50 free leads for you to take a look at. Mind if I share them here?" There's no like, "Oh, we're ListKit, we're a bootstrap startup, we've done this and that and this." It's like, we have a database of 500 million B2B leads. Here's a sample of 50 of them to test us out. Do you want it or not? Yes or no? Move on. Somebody can read this, unless they're a really slow reader, somebody can read this and respond to it in 3 seconds or less. And guess what? When you write your follow-up emails, like if you're writing an email 2, you don't have to get crazy with it. For email 2, I'll literally just copy this and paste it. The whole email. Just copy and paste it without the personalization, and it's good. Oh, what do I do for email 3? I literally will delete the hook and just put the CTA. Do you want the 50 free leads? What do I do for email 4? Who might be the best person at company to discuss or to share a sample of 50 free leads with? Every part of the sequence is coherent, and it all follows the 3-second rule, so somebody can open your cold email, respond to it, and that's it. Like, even if you're not doing this, I still see people that are like, everyone knows how hard Facebook ads are, especially in 2024 with CAC going through the roof. Creatives are more important than ever. We can reduce your CAC by 10% in 90 days with our UGC creatives that are designed to boost click-through rates. Like, there's just it's just too much going on. Nobody can read this in 3 seconds and go, okay, okay, okay. Like, no one has the time to sit there and decipher what your cold email is saying. Nobody cares. Like, you think somebody is going to be impressed that, like, everyone knows how hard Facebook ads are? Like, no shit. Everybody knows that, right? You literally said it. Everybody knows it. So why did you waste the first 3 seconds of your email stating it? You don't need to tell a story with your cold emails. You don't need to set the stage for your offer. Show them what the hell you can do and move on. If I were to rewrite this email, I would say, hey, I put together an ad creative for a company that'll reduce your CAC by 10%. Mind if I share the creative here so you can test it in your meta ads? All of a sudden, it's like, oh my god, I'm getting an ad creative made for me that can reduce my CAC. Yes, I want that. Everybody already knows Facebook ads are hard. Everyone knows CAC is going up, yada, yada, yada. You don't need to say it in a cold email. That's my rant. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you're new. If you're returning for a second time and you're still not subscribed, shame on you. Subscribe, drop a like on the channel. If you want me to write cold email scripts for you, hit the link in my description where I will write them for you on a 30-minute consulting call. Or if you want to join Client Ascension, we will help you add or sign your next 5 clients from cold email, guaranteed. Click that link, book a call, book a consulting call with me. I'll see you soon.